Look for your turn. Woo! There, wait your turn. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Now let's steady him. A little bit more canter than that. Make sure your hands go down on his neck. Go with him. Good. Look for your turn. Good job. Keep looking. Good. Now look for your cross rail. Don't cut in. Look. 3, 2, 1. One more time on the crocodile. That was great right there. 3, 2, go with him. The big one. Good. Now look for your crocodile. Okay, let's get a little bit more organized. How was your lead? Good. Just the crocodile. Push out towards the red, white, and blue cross rail. Give yourself plenty of room. That's a great canter right there. Look at your fence. Count out loud.
3, 2, 1.
Good. Those two nice straight lines, Darian, and a good release. 3, 2, 1. Looking. Hold. 3, 2. That was too big. Okay.